Today is December 10th, and we're going to open up the next truck, or the next firework. So we opened up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here we go for 10. Wait, let's see what's in number 10. Oh, okay, here we go. Let's see what 10 is. Number 10.
Number 10.
Surprise, we've got Dragon. Now Dragon got green tires like Gravedigger over here. 10 and 1.
No.
So here's how Dragon looked like. He's all white. He got red up here, red chassis, and green tires and rims. No snow, they're not even snow. Wheelie! Woo. Okay, see you tomorrow on December 11th for the next row, for the complete row.
13 numbers next to